जीवन को चलते रहना है, लौ इसकी झिलमिल जलती है। जीवन के हर चौराहे पे बस कमी तुम्हारी खलती है। जीवन की हर कठिन राहों पर मैं आशीष तुम्हारा चाहूँगा। जो राह दिखाई है तुमने, मैं औरों को दिखलाऊंगा। With these great lines, and wish every one of you a very happy Teachers' Day. Just as a country is as good as its people, similarly, the children, the students, and the citizens are as good as their teacher. It is the teacher who forms their basis. I therefore salute you all the teachers, for your ultimate passion, dedication, and contribution to shape our future and the future of the nation. It is you, the teachers, who finds a spark in a child and converts it into fire. It is you, the teacher, who deposits your precious treasures of knowledge, moral, and compassion into the child. It is you, the teacher, who inspires and make us realize that you will not only get the goodies, but you will also face the problems, the hurdles, and the rocks, and teaches us to convert each of the failures, each of the hurdles into the stepping stones. Knowing the fact that a mistake of a lawyer can be buried or is buried in the records, the mistake of a doctor is buried in the graveyard, but the mistake of a teacher reflects in the future of a nation. Thus, doing all your responsibilities with utmost care without any expectation, that what a teacher is. As Joyce Meyer rightly quoted, teachers can change lives by a right mix of shock and challenges. I still remember when we came in this world, we were gifted with our parents to take care. Then we entered the second phase of the life. We entered and we stepped into the temple of knowledge, the school, where we got none less than Almighty itself, our teachers. मुझे आज भी याद है कि जब हम स्कूल पढ़ने जाते थे, हमें काफ़ी पनिशमेंट्स मिलता था, काफ़ी छड़ी भी पड़ती थी, काफ़ी पिटाई भी होती थी, काफ़ी एप्रिशिएशंस भी मिलता था, काफ़ी प्यार भी मिलता था. And this is the way how we all have converted and transformed into our personality and what we have become right now. This is all because of the humble dedication of our teachers. आज भी जब हम बच्चों से डील करते हैं, वो हमेशा कंप्लेन करते हैं कि हमें स्कूल में टीचर्स डांटती है, मारती है, प्यार भी करती है, बट वो ये नहीं जानते हैं कि यही डांट, यही पनिशमेंट एक्चुअली में हमें शेप करता है. उनका वो इसके पीछे नहीं जानते कि टीचर्स का हमेशा मोटिव होता है कि उनके स्टूडेंट्स, जो उनके प्रीशियस ट्रेजर्स हैं, कभी मिस्टेक्स ना करें और अपने लाइफ में बेस्ट सक्सेस को अचीव करें. सो आवर टीचर्स आर वेरी वैल्यूएबल टू अस. इफ यू आस्क मी what a definition of a guru or teacher is, then in my opinion, teacher are not only those who teach in the schools and colleges, but all those peoples who guide us in a right path, provide us value education, and always stands for the right are all the teachers. This means our parents, our friends, our bhaiya didis, our seniors, those who actually motivate us, encourages us are all our teachers. So this Teachers' Day should not only be limited to a particular day, rather it should be celebrated as a festival to present our wholehearted dedication and gratitude to all our teachers who are our parents, our teachers, and our friends, our seniors, and everyone who inspires and motivate us for doing the right. So I, on behalf of the care classes, wish everyone once again a very happy Teachers' Day and urge every children, every students to respect their teachers with their utmost heart, to present their sincere dedication, because they are the one who only want your success, who only want you to do the best and expects nothing from you. Thank you.